Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Google Meet for online teaching. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to meet.google.com. Over here, sign in with your Google account. After that, on the home page, click New Meeting. Then select Start an Instant Meeting if you want to start right away. Over here, share the meeting link or code with your students so they can join. After that, if you prefer to schedule, click New Meeting and choose the Schedule option in Google Calendar. Then click Create Event and add details like date, time, and notes. Over here, add Google Meet video conferencing to generate a link. After that, hit Save and share the invitation link with your students. Then, to manage your classroom, click Host Controls at the bottom right. Over here, enable or disable screen sharing, chat, microphones, and video permissions. After that, if you want to present materials, click Present Now to share your screen, a window, or a tab. Then, if you're playing videos with audio, select Share tab Audio. Over here, to record your session, click on Activities and then Recording. After that, the recording will save to Google Drive. Then, when you're done, click End Call to close the session for everyone. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.